Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use audio visualizer effect on your G512 X keyboard. To do that, you're gonna have to connect your keyboard to your computer and launch the G-Hub application in it. Then within the G-Hub application you have to select your keyboard, go to presets menu, and here in the effect selection, select the audio visualizer. This will make your keyboard go completely dark until you start playing some sounds. So you can start playing some audio on your computer, and this will make your keys dance like this. You'll also see the current level of sound on this bar at the bottom edge of your keyboard. And this effect will be active until you stop listening to your audio. Then it will re-enable itself once you turn it back on. And yeah, basically you don't have to save it in any way. From now on, once you have enabled it in G-Hub application, it will be active until you switch it for a different effect. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.